Breathe easier wherever you go with this powerful and compact solution. The best rechargeable portable nebulizer delivers effective, on-the-go respiratory relief, combining convenience with quiet operation, ideal for travel, home, or emergency use. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Audeal Nebulizer Machine. The Audeal Nebulizer Machine stands out with its thoughtful blend of modern features and user-focused design. Equipped with a smart LED digital display and a convenient timing function, this nebulizer gives users full control over their treatment sessions. You can choose between 10, 20, or 30-minute durations, allowing for precise therapy without guesswork. Designed to be compact and weighing only 2.8 pounds, it's light enough to move around the house, but stable enough to stay secure on a nightstand or desk. What makes the Audeal nebulizer especially user-friendly is its built-in heat dissipation function that prevents overheating during extended use, ensuring device longevity. The package comes complete with an adult mask, a child mask, a universal mouthpiece, air filters, a user manual, and a power cord. Everything needed to get started right out of the box. The device also features shock-proof foot pads and a quiet compressor design, enhanced by the latest nebulizer chip technology for smooth, quiet operation. This makes it ideal for bedtime treatments or use during relaxation. Another highlight is its warranty-backed support, which assures peace of mind. Whether you're treating asthma, bronchitis, or any other respiratory condition, the Audeal nebulizer machine offers efficient, adjustable, and quiet therapy. Its American-engineered build and professional factory support add an extra layer of confidence in its durability and reliability. All these features combine to make the Audeal one of the most intelligently designed nebulizers on the market, perfect for anyone seeking quiet, dependable breathing treatments at home.
Number 2. Spriek Nebulizer Machine. The Spriek Nebulizer Machine delivers a high-performance respiratory therapy solution with a focus on ease of use and effectiveness. Designed for both adults and children, this nebulizer produces ultrafine mist particles between 0.5 and 5 microns, which helps medication reach deeper into the respiratory system for fast and effective relief. Its digital display interface is user-friendly, featuring 3 adjustable timer settings so that each treatment session can be tailored precisely, whether it's 10, 20, or 30 minutes. This flexibility is especially helpful for families managing multiple users or different treatment regimens. The Spriek nebulizers also excels in quiet operation. It utilizes a new generation silent motor and advanced noise reduction technology, maintaining noise levels below 50 decibels. This low noise feature, combined with shock-proof foot pads, ensures a smooth and quiet experience that won't disturb your daily routine or rest. Another noteworthy aspect is its reliable power setup. It connects directly to standard AC power, allowing for continuous use without interruption or battery concerns. Built with long service life in mind, this nebulizer handles frequent use without losing efficiency, making it ideal for home settings where consistent therapy is necessary. Its compact desktop design makes it easy to store or keep on standby. The included accessories, such as masks and a mouthpiece, provide convenience for immediate use. Overall, the Spriek nebulizer machine combines advanced nebulization efficiency with whisper-quiet operation and digital convenience, offering a practical solution for families seeking long-lasting and versatile respiratory care at home.
Number 3. UNOSEKS Nebulizer Machine. The UNOSEKS nebulizer machine brings sophistication, performance, and durability into one powerful unit. What sets this compressor nebulizer apart is its commitment to premium quality. Crafted with high-end materials and precision engineering, it features compressed air technology that ensures fast, consistent medication delivery with optimal particle size. This ensures your respiratory therapy sessions are efficient and deeply effective. Whether you're treating asthma, COPD, or seasonal allergies, the consistent atomization process ensures that the medication reaches the lower airways where it's needed most. The device's overall construction is equally impressive, highlighted by a sleek, modern design that doubles as an elegant piece of equipment. It includes a long air tube and ergonomically designed mouthpiece and face masks, enhancing both comfort and ease of use. One standout feature is the adjustable mist output. Simply turning the cap of the liquid cup lets you control the quantity of nebulization, reducing potential side effects and improving therapy targeting. It's ideal for users of all ages looking for a more tailored treatment experience. The quiet operation is another benefit, powered by a smooth and efficient compressor that keeps noise at a minimum. This is especially helpful for nighttime use or therapy sessions during rest. Built to endure frequent use, the UNOSEKS nebulizer promises longevity and reliability. Its robust build, quiet motor, and advanced functionality make it an ideal choice for both individual users and families. If you're looking for a durable, luxurious, and effective nebulizer that elevates your treatment experience, the UNOSEKS model is hard to beat.
Number 4. SANLANDOR Nebulizer Machine. The SANLANDOR Nebulizer Machine offers a compact yet powerful respiratory therapy solution ideal for users seeking convenience without sacrificing performance. This portable nebulizer features advanced atomization technology that produces consistent particles less than 4 micrometers, effectively targeting the lower respiratory tract. With 3 adjustable time settings and a medication cup that allows you to tweak mist size and speed, it provides customizable treatments to suit varying needs. This level of control not only improves the absorption rate, but also helps reduce potential side effects. Despite its high functionality, the SANLANDOR unit is palm-sized and lightweight, perfect for those who need a travel-friendly option. Its portability makes it easy to carry around the house or take on the road, ensuring you never have to skip a treatment session. The build quality is complemented by BPA-free, dishwasher-safe detachable parts, including masks and tubing, which make cleaning and maintenance simple. An added bonus is the inclusion of 10 replaceable HEPA filters that purify the medication mist and prevent the compressor from clogging, supporting safe and effective delivery every time. The device operates quietly, so it's suitable for children and adults alike, even during sleep. It also comes with masks for both adults and children, making it a versatile tool for the entire family.
Number 5. Quvidi Nebulizer Machine. The Quvidi nebulizer machine is a solid option for anyone needing fast, effective, and portable respiratory treatments. With its compressed air technology, this device delivers a strong nebulization output, helping break medications into fine particles ranging from 0.5 to 10 μm for better lung absorption. This performance makes it an ideal choice for treating conditions like asthma, bronchitis, or seasonal allergies quickly and efficiently. Lightweight and travel-friendly, it's designed to be used anywhere, at home, on vacation, or while commuting. Despite its portability, the Quvidi nebulizer offers a generous capacity that allows for quicker inhalation sessions, saving you valuable time. One of its standout features is the adjustable mist level. By simply turning the top of the liquid cup, you can control the intensity and volume of medication delivery. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon